I'm so excited to share this with you. My new cookbook, Masala, Indian Cooking for Modern Living. It has wholesome Indian recipes cooked simply for busy people. The word masala means a collection of spices or something or someone with a varied mix of elements. And this book is very much based on my life. I grew up in India in a well-known political family, not knowing how to even boil an egg. I taught myself the food I missed, roping in my friends, my family. Now I recreate real Indian flavors in my London home while managing 2 demanding jobs and 2 kids. Organized by time available and occasion, Masala has recipes for quick fixes, slow feasts, classic curries with wholesome twists, and a brunch chapter with spiced and fermented Indian breakfasts. There are tons of easy cheats and recipe hacks to make you a confident Indian cook just like me.